RouteNote is a music distribution service aimed at independent artists. It offers a free tier where artists can upload their music and distribute it to major streaming platforms. Think of Spotify, Apple Music, etc. without upfront payment. In return, RouteNote takes a cut of the revenue. Now, this is typically anywhere between 15 to 30% rather than charging fixed fees. One of RouteNote's biggest advantages is its accessibility. Because there's no upfront cost for basic distribution, it lowers the barrier for new or small artists to get their music in front of listeners globally. The free model means artists can experiment, release more frequently, and manage costs while growing their audience. Now, the paid or premium option enhances features, so faster release times, more promotional support, higher revenue share. For example, you keep more of the earnings, and priority customer support. This gives artists flexibility, so stick with the free plan while building traction and upgrade later when income or needs increase. Now, in practice, the distribution works pretty reliably. Once your tracks are accepted, they appear on streaming platforms and stores within expected timeframes, though there can be delays depending on the platform. RouteNote handles metadata, royalty collection, and reporting. Its dashboard helps track streams, earnings, and territories. There are a few downsides to bear in mind though. Now, because RouteNote takes a cut on the free model, you earn less per stream than with the full fee distribution that lets you keep 100% of the revenue. Also, supports for free tier users may be slow or less comprehensive. Some artists find the reporting features are analytic basic compared to high-end distribution services. Occasional listening or metadata rejections can delay releases, though that's common across all distribution platforms. Overall, though, RouteNote is among the best free options for independent artists who wants to get their music into all the major stores without paying upfront costs. It's no it's not flawless, but for newcomers or those on tight budgets, it offers a very reliable or viable path to getting global distribution.